Going to start with chapter number 6. This is the last chapter of part A. We have left chapter number 4 because it has been deleted, but if time permits, then we will do that chapter up to a certain extent. So chapter number 6 is the challenges of cultural diversity. Now, what is cultural diversity? The term diversity emphasizes differences rather than inequalities. Diversity does not mean inequalities. Diversity means differences. The early hunting and food gathering societies were homogeneous and monocultural. So in the olden days, the hunting and the food gathering societies, they were said to be homogeneous in nature. Therefore, they were monocultural. The modern industrial societies are multicultural. In the modern industrial society, there is a difference. There are different cultures that are being followed. Therefore, it is a multicultural society. The processes like migration, globalization, and colonialism have contributed cultural diversity in every society. And these are the migration, globalization, colonialism. These are all processes that have contributed into the cultural diversity of each and every country in the world. Culture is a distinctive character of a nation, of a group, or a period of history. So culture is said to be an important character of a country, of a group, or a period of history. There are as many cultures as groups. Among some groups we find monogamy, others believe in polygamy or polyandry, and every culture or every group has different pattern of culture. Some believe in monogamy, some believe in polygamy or polyandry. We find group variations of culture behavior among different people over the world and also among the same people. Factors of cultural diversity are: number 1, historical accidents. Some of the customs whose origin is difficult to trace must have been originated due to some personal or group unconsciousness behavior. So the first factor of cultural diversity is historical accidents. Some customs or whose origination cannot be traced might have been due to some personal or group unconsciousness behavior. Second, geographical environment. Culture may vary according to geographical location. The production of pottery is dependent upon the supply of proper type of earth. The culture of river valley gave rise to villages and a sedentary life. So the geographical location of a place also results into the culture, formation of culture of that particular place. The example is given that if a person wants to produce pottery, then the place or the mud that is to be used should be of proper quality. Then mobility of human organism. The mobility of or flexibility of human organism is a cause for cultural variability. Man has always adjusted himself to his cultural environment. The persons keep on moving from one place to another place, and it is a tendency of the humankind to adjust itself in accordance to the environment in which he wants to live. Then inventions and discoveries. Inventions and discoveries also bring about cultural diversity. A country which is technologically advanced will have a cultural difference from one which is technologically backward. So new innovations, new discoveries also help in promoting culture of a particular country, and it also results into a cultural diversity. A technologically advanced country will have a different culture in comparison to a technologically backward country. Then individual peculiarities. Sometimes individual peculiarities also influence cultural behavior. Not very unoften the conscious effort of an individual may change the current modes of behavior. So the individual influences or the individual peculiarities behavior, that also influence the cultural behavior. Not very unoften the conscious effort of an individual may change the current modes of behavior. These efforts may be due to the revolt against certain initiating manners or may have some economic or political significance. Then change in the modes of production. Any change of the mode of production affects the culture of the people, their art, moral, custom, laws, literature, etc. The culture of capitalist countries differ from that of socialist countries. And dominant cultural themes. Dominant themes in a dynamic force is a dynamic force in culture. The superiority of men over women is the main theme around which Indian culture is built.